While the majority of the focus on 3D printing on this site has been in regard to footwear, when there is a relevant article addressing the natural progression towards additive manufacturing, it's pertinent that we share it and give our opinion on how 3shoes.com will assist the market in implementing this exciting technology into our everyday lives. Haute couture are words that inspire thoughts of Louis Vuitton and Gucci. When a person considers pret-a-porter lines from luxury brands, the initial thought of 3D printing simply doesn't fit. However, that is not the case as we move closer to a world that will begin to operate in a more efficient manner. The current trend of fast fashion isn't as easily justifiable right now. You have companies who are renting the runway in an attempt to catch up with the trends. The problem with this is that companies can find themselves in the uncomfortable position of adjusting and adapting too much in a world that is all about customization. This is where 3D printing comes into play. As the manufacturing process becomes less expensive, the everyday person will be able to upload their body dimensions into the cloud, and if they can't purchase a 3D printer or don't have access, they will be able to work directly with 3D shoes to access a catalog of haute couture, high-end schematics created by individual brands. While the price associated will be undoubtedly high-end, the customizable nature of owning a work of high fashion 3D printed to your exact specifications is the ultimate in luxury manufacturing. The source link discusses how fashion has yet to create a 3D printed line that is actually wearable, but when the time comes, you can trust that when the brands find that softer fabric application, there will be an amazing shift towards additive manufacturing in high fashion.